I had to replace one of my tips, but I decided rod tips. But I realized, well, why do I not make a video on how to do it? So I got this old rod that I never use, just a Zebco 33 minnow, or whatever it is, Zebco 33 micro. So what you're gonna need is glue, pliers, and something to create fire. So you see the tip. So you're just gonna light that, and right around where the guides come out. Okay, so now, got it. So you see the edge right there? Got the tip, just pull it out with the pliers. So you're gonna put your glue around this little edge that came out. Put it around. Then you're gonna take your tip, and it's hot. It's sort of hot. And you're gonna stick it in there. Just like that. Stick it all the way. Boom. Fixed rod tip.